Question number 7 from the ledger posting, page number 244. Here we start with the 7th question. From the following transaction, prepare subsidiary book of Ajmal Garments and post them in necessary account in the ledger. Year 2016 and the month is August. They told you to first prepare subsidiary book of Ajmal Garments, and as you go throughout the question and check, after checking, here we will prepare a purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book. After solving this subsidiary book, then we'll prepare ledger as per the solution of the subsidiary book. So for this, here is the subsidiary book of Ajmal Garments, purchase book, sales book, purchase return book and sales return book. You have to get ready with this as it have been not specified with the columnary. So here we are preparing a simple subsidiary book. So first get ready with the subsidiary book specimen and don't forget to write down the year and the month. Here I wrote the year and the month. Let's start with the first transaction. Remember, in the subsidiary book we will record credit transaction. So here first one is the goods 48,000 for purchase at 10% trade discount from Zubain Traders. So here is the credit purchase of goods of rupees 48,000 with a 10% trade discount. The date is first. So here comes the purchase book. Write down date 1, name Zubain Traders, account. There is no bill number, so directly we can record 48,000 minus, if you remove 10% of it, you will get 43,200. Moving to the next transaction, goods of rupees 42,000 are purchased with a 5% trade discount from Mazhar. So again the purchase transaction, so we'll come to the purchase book and write down the name, Mazhar account. If you remove 5% trade discount on 42,000, you will get 39,900. Next transaction, goods of rupees 20,000 are purchased at 5% trade discount from Mahesh Store. Again purchase transaction dated 3. So here we'll write 3 in the purchase book. We'll write down the name Mahesh Store account with the amount 20,000. If you remove 5% of it, you will get 1,000. 20,000 minus 1,000. Here amount comes 19,000. Next, fourth one, purchase furniture of rupees 12,000 from Ashraf Furniture Mart. Now this is the asset purchase. अगर goods credit पे purchase करते हैं तो हम subsidiary book purchase book में लिखते हैं. But here they have purchased an asset. So for this we'll put on journal proper. So here is my journal proper. First I'll write down the date 4 August, and at the top I'll highlight the year. So here purchase furniture, so on the position of purchase on the debit side we'll write furniture account, and as this is the credit transaction we'll write down a mart name from where the furniture have been purchased. Mart account with the amount 12,000. Seventh one, goods of rupees 24,000 is sold at 20% profit to Raja Bhai at 10% trade discount. So first remove 20% of 24,000, add it and then remove 10% discount. I'll show you calculation for this. Here is the calculation. First I took 24,000, then I removed 20% of 24,000. I got 4,800. As this was the profit, add it. After adding profit, here amount comes 28,800, and after profit it has said to remove 10% trade discount. So on 28,800, if you remove 10%, you will get 2,880. Get them minus, the final value will be 25,920. The value for the selling to Raja Bhai. So come to the sales book, write down the date, that is 7, and write down name to whom we are selling, that is Raja Bhai account, and the amount after calculation we found is 25,920. Next, 8th, goods of rupees 36,000 are sold to Salman at 5% trade discount. So take 5%. remove 5% of 36,000, get them minus, and after minusing, the value will remain 34,200, which I will record in the sales book. 8. Salman account, amount 34,200. Next, ninth one, goods of rupees 4,000 are written to Dinesh Bhai. Now here we are retaining, so this comes to the purchase written. If something we have purchased, so now we are returning it. As we are returning it, so write down the name Dinesh Bhai account. No debit note number is written, but here we'll write down amount 4,000. 10th one, goods of rupees 12,000 are sold to Chino Bhai at 10% trade discount. So 10 date will come in the sales book. It's a credit sales, so we can record it. Chino Bhai account with a 10% of 12,000, you will get 10,800. 14th one, goods of rupees 6,200 are returned by Raja Bhai. Now Raja Bhai is returning to us, so this is sales written. Come to the sales written book, write down the date 14 and write down the name, the person who is returning, that is Raja Bhai, with the amount 6,200. 15th one, goods of rupees 3,200 are written to Salim. Now here we are returning, though that is purchase written. 15th, Salim account with the amount 3,500. 16th one, goods of rupees 1,600 are written by Mitul. Now Mitul is returning to us, so it is purchase written. 16, Mitul account with the amount 1,600. So here we end up with all the transaction. Now next step is to make a total of all the book. Here I made a total of all the books, and this is the journal proper where I got debit side 12,000 and credit side 12,000. So after finishing up, as our next step is to prepare ledger, so here we'll first count how many ledgers have to be prepared. So first for the purchase book, second for the entries which we have put, that is Subain Traders, Mazhar, Mahesh Store. Just continue with this. Fifth sales book, 6, 7, 8. Here this much have to be prepared. Ninth one, purchase return book. But when you prepare for the purchase return book, be careful, is any entry's name is there in the purchase book. First make a comparison, then make a counting. As we can see, these two names are not, can't see in the purchase book, so let's count it both. For the purchase written, Raja Bhai you can see in the sales book, so don't count it again. Take the next one, that is 13, 14 for the furniture and 15 for the Ashraf Furniture Mart. So total 15 ledgers have to be prepared. So now take your scale and pencil and start preparing the ledgers. As you can see, I already ready with this. Number wise, just get ready with the ledgers. Here I put another page just for the explanation. You people have to continue with your book in your next page. But here, just for the explanation, as this is over here, I kept another page. So let's start with the ledger posting. Here comes the purchase account. Purchase account. Now, as all you know that in the purchase subsidiary book, here we are recording all credit purchase. So here the total which you can see in the purchase book is 1,02,100. Now in purchase account, when we are putting a ledger, now I will show you how to make a posting. Purchase account, hope you all remember, in the journal entry we keep the position of purchase at the debit side. So here also in the ledger we'll make a posting of purchase at the debit side. And for the sales journal entry we put position at the credit side. So here also we'll keep on the credit side. This is just I'm showing you to make you remember the posting position. So here the purchase, I'm coming on the debit side, and here I can write date. Now here the date will end up date. What is the date of end of this subsidiary book? Is 16. So we'll keep as a 16 over here for the ledger posting. That is 2016 August 16, the last date. And on this date the total of purchase I found is 1,02,100. Now in particular what we'll write sundry creditors, or you can write down creditors account. Creditors यानी कि supplier, the person from whom we have purchased goods on credit. The total credit purchase is 1,02,100 will be written like this. Then the entries which have been passed inside in the purchase book, the amount of those will be passed on the credit side. Purchase का total debit side ही रहेगा on the position of purchase, but the entry inside will be put on entry at the credit side. Here I comes the Zubain Traders. You can see the Zubain Traders with the amount 43,200. In the Zubain Traders, here I write down 43,200. Date is 2016 August 1st, and in particular I'll write down from Zubain Traders because he is the one of the creditor. So we'll write down over here that the goods have been purchased here, or simply from where we are coming, bringing this entry from the purchase book. So we'll write down to purchase account 43,200. Same for the next Mazhar with the 39,900. Here is the ledger of Mazhar store. Now here I'll put journal posting. I'll make a posting over here with the date August 2 with the amount 39,900, and again here I will write from where I am bringing this entry, that is purchase account. Next one is it was the Mahesh store. तो Mahesh store के लिए 19,000 ही आएगा, पर Mazhar के लिए 39,900 I put on over here. So here I am going to write dated 2016 August 2 by purchase account with the amount 39,900. And for the Mahesh store, dated 3 by purchase account 19,000. Moving to the next book, sales book. As I already told you, the total of sales book will keep the posting on the credit side. So here is my sales book. I am putting a posting on the credit side. So here again we'll write down the date 2016 August 16, that is the last date I am putting for this, by. Now for sales, we put on sales, credit sales हम किसको करते हैं, कस्टमर को, और कस्टमर को हम बोलते हैं यहाँ पर debtor, or you can write down sundry debtors account. And here we'll put the total of the sales book, that is 70,920, and the entries inside for those ledgers will put posting at the debit side. So here you can see Raja Bhai with the dated 7, and here we'll write to sales account with the amount 25,920 for Salman. Transaction took place on the date August 8 with the amount 34,200, and here we'll write down to sales account. Next for the Chinu Bhai, it is 10,800 with the dated August 10 to sales account. Isn't it simple and easy? The only difficult is to prepare the ledgers. Next is purchase written book. Here you can see the purchase written book. Now remember, purchase written book journal entry में हम entry credit side देते थे. तो credit side आ जाओ first of all and write down date for this is 2016 August 16 GF. And here we'll write down by creditors. Again we'll write the creditors purchase related, and we'll write down the total of purchase written book, that is 7,500. Now I'll show you in the ledger where we can see the Dinesh Bhai. Ab purchase written ka total you kept at the credit side, so inside entry we'll put on the debit side. So here we'll first write down the date, that is 2016 August 9. Again 2016 August 9 for the Dinesh Bhai. Remember in the ledger Amount of Dinesh Bhai is 4,000. So keep 4,000 in the amount, and here you have to write down to purchase written book. We bought from the purchase written book or purchase written account. Keep it like that. Moving to the Salim, 3,500. Here comes 3,500 with the dated 2016 August 15 to purchase written account. Now comes to the last book, that is sales written book. The sales written in the journal entry we used to keep at the debit side. So come to the debit side and write down the total 7,800. The last date of the transaction of the month of the question which has been given, that is 16. Here we'll write down sales के related हो तो आपको लिखना है debtor, that is customer, or you can write down sundry debtors. After writing this, the inside entries posting will be done on the credit side. So Mitul account, for this we'll write down 2016 August 14, and here we'll write down, okay, first is the Raju Bhai. So let's go to the Raju Bhai here. The ledger of Raju Bhai, 6,200 will be written over here with the dated when it has been written. So here we'll write down sales written account for Raju Bhai. Now I am moving to the Mitul, that is 1,600. So here I am writing 1,600 and here by sales written account. So here we finish with the all subsidiary book, and now I will show you for the journal proper, for which I have already prepared furniture and Ashraf Furniture Mart. All of you remember furniture account? यहाँ पे furniture account है. Come to the furniture debit side. Write down the date 2016 August 4 and we'll write down the amount 12,000, but inside we'll write Ashraf Furniture Mart. The transaction took place with the Ashraf Furniture Mart. Then we'll come to the Ashraf Furniture Mart. We'll write down the date 4th August and here we'll make a posting of furniture, that is by furniture account with the amount 12,000. So here we end up with this ledger posting with the subsidiary book. Hope you all understand. Moving to the next question, number 8. From the following transaction, prepare subsidiary book of Janki store and post them in necessary accounts. So again we are going to prepare subsidiary book. So here I am ready with this specimen. Remember, after reading question you have to get ready with this specimen. Subsidiary book of Janki store. Here comes purchase, sales, purchase written, sales written and journal proper if you need it. I already read the question, so I am ready with this specimen. I already read the whole transaction as well. So I know here we need the journal proper as well. So even you can see I am ready with the ledgers as well. So first we'll start with the solution. Here you can see the year and the month. I already wrote beforehand only. Even I wrote in the ledger as well. For saving my time, you can do this for your exam as well. So here we start with the first one. Goods of rupees 9,000 are sold at 10% profit of Shakil Traders. Outward invoice number 251. So here we need a calculation, because here we are going to add 10% profit with the 9,000 in the book of sales. Here I did the calculation. Take the 9,000 and take the 10% of profit, get them add. The amount is 9,900. Here comes in the book sales with the name of Shakil Traders. So come to the sales book and write down date 1 with the name Shakil Traders account. Even they have given the bill number, invoice number, that is 251 with the amount 9,900. Second one, goods of rupees 9,600 are purchased from Nargis at 10% trade discount. Inward invoice number 636. So this time we are going to put entry in the purchase book with the dated 2. Nargis account, invoice number 636, and if you remove 10% of it, you will get 8,640. Third, goods of rupees 5,600 are sold at 15% profit to Nitin store, outward invoice number 252. Now this time remove 15% on 5,600 and get them add. This is again the transaction of sale. So come to the sales book, write down the date 3, name is Nitin account, amount 252 with the, if you add them you will get 6,440. Next, fourth one. Goods of rupees 6,000 are purchased from Paresh at 5% trade discount and invoice number is 525. So here comes the transaction in the purchase book with the dated 4 Paresh, and here you have to remove 5% on 6,000, you will get 5,700, and invoice number is also given, that is 525. Next, fifth one, goods of rupees 750 are received back from Vishwas, credit note number 81. Now credit note number means it's your sales return. So come to the sales return book, write down the date 5 and write down the name Vishwas account 81 with the amount 750. Next, seventh one, goods of rupees 900 written to Bharat, debit note number 221. Now this is your purchase written note. So come to the purchase written, write down the date, date 7 and the name Bharat account, note number is 221 with the amount 900. Eighth one, goods of rupees 1,100 written by Nitin as the goods were not according to the sample. So credit note number 82. So again moving to the sales written book, write down the date 8 and here Nitin, to whom we have sold on the dated 3rd, have been written with the note number 82 and amount 1,100. Ninth one, as the goods of rupees 920 are damaged, they are written back to Nargis, debit note number 222. This is purchase written. So come here on the purchase written book, write down the name Nargis account with the note number 222, date 920. Moving to the next, 10th one. 3 cupboard at the rate of 2,400 each are purchased from Ashwin Furniture Mart, credit bill number 67. Now cupboard comes to the furniture and as an asset, and if have been purchased on credit, we have to record in the journal proper. So here comes the journal proper. First we'll write down the date 10 and here we purchase furniture account and has been purchased on credit. So we'll write down Ashwin Furniture Mart account. And here it is written that there are total 3 furniture have been purchased. So if you get them multiplied, you will get 7,200 at both the side. Next transaction, 14. As one of the cupboard from those which were purchased from Ashwin Furniture Mart is in damaged condition, it is written to them with the debit note number 223. Here we are not writing this note number because in journal proper we are putting journal entry. So here one of the cupboard is going to be written. So for written we'll write down the date. As returning, the furniture will come on credit side as furniture is going out, and receiver is Ashwin Furniture Mart account, which comes at the debit side, and here if one of the, though it is 2,400. So here we finish. If we make the total of this, it is 9,600, because here we end up with the last transaction. Now next process is to make the total of it, and we'll count a ledger, that how many ledgers have to be prepared. Here I made the total of all the book, as well as also give the number that how many ledgers have to be prepared, and here I found total 12 ledgers have to be prepared. as you have already seen that I am ready with all the ledgers because it takes too much time, so get it ready. This is the only thing which is difficult in this chapter, otherwise posting is really easy. So after writing the ledger, also write down the year and the month in each and every book, so it would quickly you can make a posting. So here comes the purchase account. Here is the purchase. Take the total to the debit side with the last date. Now here we saw it's a 14, so we'll take it in a 14 as sundry creditors, or you can write down directly as a creditors account with the amount of total 14,340. Next, inside, that is Nargis and the Paresh, the entry will put on the credit side by writing by purchase account with the amount 8,640. See, the amount are same, but you have to write down from where you are coming with. Next is 5,700 by purchase account. Here the name Nargis 2 and in the Paresh it is date 4. Next, moving to the sales book with the total 16,340 on the credit side. 16,340 by debtors account. And here the entries of Shakil and Nitin with the amount in the Shakil 9,900 dated 1, and here we'll write down to sales account. Again here to sales account, and in Nitin the amount is 6,440. You can see here. Next, purchase written book, where the entry will move on the credit side. Here is the total is 1,820. So 1,820, and here we'll write down by creditors account, and for Bharat and Nargis. Okay, for Bharat it is over here. I think I forgot one of the entry. So Bharat 7 with the amount 900, and here we'll write down to purchase written account. But just continue with the thing. Here comes the Nargis account for written, purchase written. The entry will be passed over here with the dated 9, and here we'll write purchase written account with the amount 920. Now moving to the sales written book. Here is the sales written book. The entry will pass on the debit side with the dated 16, the total which we are going to record as a name of debtor, amount 1,850. The entries of Vishwas and Nitin will be passed over here. Here the Vishwas name is there. Here we'll write down the 750 by sales written book. And for Nitin we have to come over here, and here we'll write down sales written by Nitin is 1,100. Now at the end, the journal proper, that is furniture and Ashwin Furniture Mart. First we'll see the furniture. Here furniture account. The opposite we wrote Ashwin Furniture Mart for the dated 10. Ashwin Furniture Mart with the amount 7,200. Next is Ashwin Furniture Mart. Here is the ledger of Ashwin Furniture Mart, where we'll come on the credit side and we will write down the dated 10, and here we'll write down by furniture account with the amount 7,200. For the next entry 14th one for the Ashwin Furniture Mart, come to the debit side and write down 14. We'll write down that which have been written, the furniture account with the amount 2,400 which has been written, and then the furniture account on the credit side write down Ashwin Furniture Mart, the furniture which has been written of 2,400 with the date of 14. As you can see, this is what the book have to be solved, and this is the ledger, and the posting.